Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. It is Ipsy PR Day. So this is the icon box on the bottom. The middle box is the Boxy by Ipsy. And then the top is the Glam Bag. Oh, runny nose today. There were two products included in the box. The first one is right here. It's an exfoliating cleanser. Runny nose. And you can see the tube cracked. So I did lose some, like you'll see it was on like some of the boxes, but I'll tape that up and there's still plenty in there. I didn't lose that much. And you can see it, I guess in the heat. It was packaged well, but I'm excited to try this. I've never heard of them, so I'll put that there. And the other thing that was included in here is the Perfect Chocolate Chunk Cookie Mix. And you can see the top has a little bit of the product on it. So I'm happy for that. The Perfect Chocolate Chip. Okay. Cravings by Chrissy. Okay. So we'll keep them in the background there. So the theme for August 2024 is going to be the Beauty Olympics. So let's, Glam Bag's $14 a month. Boxy by Ipsy is $30 a month. And the icon box is $60 a quarter. Right here. So I have all that. I have my blade in case I need it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the icon box for a separate video. So let's do Glam Bag first and see what some spoilers are going to be for the month of August. And like I said, the theme is Beauty Olympics, the Beauty Olympics. I guess if you there's limited edition mystery bags for the win. I guess they're doing some kind of a giveaway there that you could possibly win, and just information about the Olympics right here. I'm excited for the bag just because it looked so adorable. Let me see it. Aw, it is nice. Nice purple bag. You can see purple with the word glam. Nice green little pole. We'll take that off. Nice green pole that says Ipsy on it. Outside of my bag, I have a brush. And this is SMS Glam. It has to be. Absolutely it is. How beautiful. Look at that. And you can tell by her two crystals. She does have her signature on the ferrule also. A nice little shadow brush. Oh, that feels nice. Must be new because I don't have any of these. I don't believe. I don't think so. So I'm excited for that. I think I did choose that in one of my own bags just because I'm always going to pick the brushes. So let's see what the other 4 items are in my Glam Bag. I think allergies are just bad and my eye is constantly watering today, which then makes my nose run. I'm like, oh, you just can't win here. And this is from Tovegan, maybe. Red Remedy Toner. Right here, a little tiny bottle. Okay. Not bad for a toner. Some of these are so small. The Professional's nice. Matte primer. Mattifying primer to minimize the look of pores. Another little sample. Cute package. Cute box. Let's open this up. It's going to be a little tiny sample. Yeah. I don't think I do have Benefit products. I'm sure I have the primer. So that we'll put there. So that's 3. Here we have from One Kind Youth Drops. And what are you? Gentle Refining Peel. So this right here is like a face peel. It's not bad. Sometimes it's like old school when you used to put glue and then peel it off. So that's like that type. And then looks like I have a little palette here. Let's open this up and see what is here. Sometimes this makes it so difficult. Everything's so sticky. Okay, so this is from, I don't know who this is from. I'm going to look. I don't know who makes this. Beauty Vault, I would assume, is the company. I've never heard of them. Have I heard of Beauty Vault? I might have. I have no idea. So let's just open this up and see. me try to get rid of the packaging. So this is what it looks like on the inside. This is going to be easy to open. I have no idea. Some of these palettes, I mean, I chipped my nail trying to get open the Tier foundation thing and like chipped the dip powder right off my thumb. I had to redo my thumb. I was like, come on. That's a nice palette right there. Nice tones. Nice neutral palette. So there's 4 matte, 2 shimmer. That's cute. I like that. I'm not going to close that because that's going to be difficult to get back open. So that's the Glam Bag spoilers, which I don't think is horrible. Is it the best Glam Bag I've ever received? I'm going to say no. I love this. I'm excited for the palette. The Benefit product is nice. I did miss the bag last month, but this is, I love this. Cute. Put you over there. So, you know, for the price, is it a deal? Yeah, I think so. Not bad at all. I mean, I have to admit that it's not horrible. Plus, then you always get, when you get your, you know, you can scan, you know, there's usually QR codes all over the place on these right there. So let's move into Boxy by Ipsy, Boxycharm, and let's see what we have here. So we have a pamphlet, which we usually do get for August, the Beauty Olympics. And let's open this up. And it gives you some information here, some of the products, who the Icon box is, which is Christy Teigen and John Legend. Let me see what it says about this limited edition mystery bags for the win. Are they to buy? I guess you buy them. Because it says for the win. So I didn't know if it was going to be something that you were going to have to enter or not. So August 12th is limited edition mystery bags are going to be available. So that's already no, it hasn't passed. August 12th. August 22nd, there's a Wander Beauty capsule that's going to be available. And then September 1st to the 3rd is going to be Build Your Box and add-ons. Don't forget, August 1st is going to be, you know, you've already chosen your product for your Ipsy Glam Bag. And Boxy by Ipsy, if you get that in Icon, or the first, usually first, second, and third. So let's see what I have. Oh, I'm excited. Ooh, nice products right here. I'll give you a little sneak peek into the box. I'm excited for this one right off the bat. There's my nose. Run. From Amika, this is Volume and Matte Texture Spray. Love Amika products. Their shampoo and their conditioner's nice. Their leave-in conditioner is wonderful. Love that. I'm trying to think if I had dry shampoo from them. I think I did, but now I have a Volume and Matte Texture Spray. It's always nice to add to maybe second day hair, third day hair. I have my Olaplex dry shampoo today because I didn't feel like washing my hair. I'm like, I am not doing that whole process today. Today we have here from Ever Eden Nourishing Facial Cleansing Oil. Nice little size there. I'm happy for that. This is always a keeper from Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And that's full size, and it gives you an idea of what the wand looks like. And I will open this to show you. I'll probably share this just because I have so many full sizes that I still haven't even opened. I'm still going through the samples. So that's nice right there. Love a good mascara. So from here we have from K-Voss a Lip Potion Overnight Mask. Let's see. An overnight lip mask right here. Just going to leave that closed. I'm not going to open that up. And then last but not least in this box is from Ofra Mini Mix Palette Unconditional. Let's see what you're all about. I don't know if I have this one. Is this an older one? I'm not sure. I have to check. Okay, let me take off this little protective. And The protective shield does give you like the names. I couldn't think of what I wanted to say. That's pretty. I don't think we have this one. I will check. If I have it, I will share it. If I get it in my box, I will share one and keep one, but that's pretty. Nice shades, nice deep green and purple and browns. You have highlighter, you have blush. Nice. Let me put this back on. I don't know if I can read the names. Oh, and bronzer. Bronzer, blush, two highlighters, and then seven eyeshadows. Not bad right here. I'm excited for that. That's nice. I'm trying to think what the last one we got from Oprah was. I honestly don't remember. This is the most exciting in this box for me, honestly. I love hair products. I love trying out new ones and all that good stuff. So for $30, I think Boxycharm is worth it. You get all full-size products. We do get to customize 2 or 3. Oh, I think it's 2. 3 out of the 5, and then the Glam Bag, you get to pick 1. I think there was only 1 full size. I think it was the e.l.f. But, you know, I chose the brush. That's a full-size brush. That's not a sample. It's a full size. I could see if it was a mini or something like that, but the brush is going to be full size. I'm trying to think what else I saw there. I honestly don't remember, but I know I chose the brush in one bag. I don't know what I chose. Maybe the palette to share. I figured if I got one, I could share. If not, keep. But these are the spoilers that you could possibly get. I just wanted to give you a good look at some products before you make your choices. It looks like there is, that's for September. Let me see what else, if there's any other little sneak peeks here for August. There's a Keys concealer that looks like up for grabs. Maybe some other lip products. I really are not showing it too much. Let me see, here are you. In Beauty. Oh, they have an In Beauty product. I suggest trying that. Buxom. They have a couple In Beauty maybe for August. Might have to see if there's any on that in the sale. Nice. It's September products that are going to be available. So that is the Glam Bag and the Boxycharm box for August 2024. Let me know your thoughts. Do you see anything in here that you're excited to get or that you're going to choose or maybe save for add-ons or, you know, like a shop purchase? Let me know. And stay tuned and we'll do the icon box in a separate video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.